Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Agoda app not updating. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable, as updates require a strong connection. Then, restart your phone and then try updating the app from the App Store or the Play Store. Go to the App Store or your Play Store, search for Agoda and try updating the app again. Next, head over to your settings app, then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your device has enough storage space, because low storage can prevent updates from installing. On Android, you can clear the Google Play Store cache by going to settings, apps, Play Store, storage and tapping clear cache. If the update still does not work, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app, then go to the App Store, search for Agoda and then download it again to the latest version. That's how you fix the Agoda app not updating.